Hi, thanks for joining me on this fine Thursday, whatever day it is for you. Today's video is going to be autumn makeup because it's autumn and it's extra cold, so that makes me want to do autumn related things. Okay, so my base makeup is already on. If you want to know what this is, it'll be my previous video. If you want to know, that's up to you. So the main palettes I'm going to use today are this palette by Colourpop, which is called Main Squeeze. So it comes in with these colours, which are really pretty. Excuse my room. And also some of this one, which is LASplash. I think that's quite a famous brand, I just can't speak. This palette, now look at that gold. Just says eyeshadow palette, but it looks like this. It's really nice. I think I got this from a glossy box. If I was going to wear this makeup for a long time, I would prime my eyes. Look at the state of this, oh my god. This is the Barry M Lid Lock eyeshadow primer. It's okay, it's a little bit bitty, but once you blend it in, it's not too bad. So I'd probably use that if I was going to wear this for a long time, but I'm not going to wear it for that long because it's actually night time. So yeah, I'm going to start off with the Spectrum B06 brush. I think I'm just going to use this one here. It's like an orangey peachy colour and it's called Big Gulp. And then blend it into my crease and try and wing it out a bit. Wing it out a bit. That's a nice colour. It's more orangey on me. Excuse the state of my eyebrows if you can. If you can't, then soz. I need to do them really bad. Just really gentle movements, just swirling it around, applying like hardly any pressure. Can you even see what I'm doing? And the same on this eye. I feel like this eye has a lot more eye space, like this eye is a lot more hooded, which is annoying. Nothing too complicated. And then I'm actually going to bring it in a little bit towards my nose, which might seem crazy, but I like doing that. I'm going to use this, I think it's meant to be an eyebrow brush. It's a Spectrum A20 full brush, and I'm going to use the same shade that I just put all over my eyelid underneath. And then I'm going to drop my eyeshadow palette on the floor. Try not to do that. Okay, now I'm going to use the fluffy brush again from earlier and use this shade called Seed Money. I'm just deepen up the outer corner because that's what you do. Colourpop palettes are really good, but they tend to be quite powdery. Like, you can get a lot of fallout in the pan, but not too bad on your eyes. Don't know how that works. Probably because I tap it all off. Honestly, my brain is not here today. And then I would normally use a smaller brush, but I can't actually find it, so I'm going to use this brush again. But if I were you, I'd use a smaller fluffy brush and use this shade called Red Bottoms. Red Bottoms. More concentrated on the outer corner and like on the eyelid, if that makes any sense. I'm not actually going to do a winged eyeliner today because I don't feel like it. So I'm going to use that dark shade again and kind of use it as an eyeliner using this brush. You could probably spray some setting spray on the brush to make it show up more. Now I'm going to use the LASplash, I hope that's how you say it, not LASplash, I have no idea. I'm going to use the black shade from this to deepen up my eyeliner type thing. Yeah, that's something. Now I don't know whether to use the shimmer from this one, this shimmer here, or the gold from this one. I think I'm going to use the gold from this one. But this shimmer is really nice. I'll do a swatch for you. It's like a rose gold type shimmer, you see? So that's the Colourpop one, it's really nice. It's really nice, but we're not using it right now because I want to use this one, which is called citrine. Using my finger because that's the best way to do it, I think. I was gonna say something, but I'm not gonna say it. Wow. I can use this brush again, add a bit of gold underneath my eye. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow done. I'm going to add some mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational because it's great. I love it. MUA do some really good mascaras if you want vegan options, or Revolution actually. Mascara makes such a difference. Just because I feel naked without eyebrows, I'm going to do my eyebrows using the Collection Incredibrow. This is like £5. And this tiny little brush says Vertex on it, if that means anything to you. Just a little teeny little eyebrow brush. I just use the middle shade with a little bit of the black mixed together. So I have really dark eyebrows. So sorry if you have eyebrows like this, but I've never liked the really fluffy laminated ones that just go straight up. I'm just not a fan. I'm not a fan. I'm sorry. I don't know how people are doing their eyebrows right now, because I feel like the laminated trend isn't as popular as it was a few years ago. I don't really know. How do people do their eyebrows now? Let me know. Probably not like I do them. I just find them so hard. Like, how do you get them to suit your face? And how do you get them even? Let me know. I don't really know if this is a hack, but sometimes I use this mirror and I'll look in my mirror over there so I can see my face as other people see it, and then try and make my eyebrows look good like that too, because I find I'll look fine in the mirror, and then if someone takes a photo of me, my eyebrows are like so sometimes I just do that and like hold it here. Oh, look, it's me. So you can kind of see what I mean, and just make sure they look alright from other points of view. Not that it matters what other people see, you know what I mean, right? And then to finish it off, I'm going to use the Maybelline cream lipstick in 373, which is mauve for me, mauve, which is like a really pretty, very similar to my nails actually. It smells nice, it's really creamy, they last for ages. And I also, I found with Maybelline lipsticks, they stain your lips a little bit to like a pinky colour, so that's fun. Just realised I'm not done. One more thing. Now, I've had this highlight for years and it's broke and gross and old, but it's so good. It's the Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. I don't know if they still sell this in golden lights, and I'll put this on my inner corners. I'm sure there's lots of alternatives, just like a really bright yellowy toned highlight. A little bit here. Right on the tip of my nose. And here. Okay, and we're done. This is my, I wouldn't say go-to because I'm not doing this every day, but this would be what I would do if I was going to go out somewhere this time of year. So here we are. Here it is. It's like a smoky, warm eye. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful to you in some way. Hope it wasn't just a big waste of time. Yeah, thank you very much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!